All right, let's blow this bitch up.
Yeah. Welcome back. It's your boy Black Magic, and we are in our dyno room right now. This is our dyno tuner where we tune our motorcycles. Now what we do here is we hook this machine up to our motorcycles. There's a drum down here. Right now we have our motorcycle rolled up on our dyno tuner. What we're gonna do is hook this up to this machine. There's a drum down here that's gonna measure our horsepower. We got some sensors hooked up to this to get our fuel ratios, and we're gonna tune this bike after we've just done all that work.
I'm excited to see how this is gonna go.
So what we're doing now, Mike is going to download a map into the computer. This is set up to calibrate the engine for all the performance parts that we put in here. We need to tell the computer that we have all these parts to add a little more fuel and a little more air when we need it. Now, you want to tune your motorcycle for a couple reasons. One, performance, and another reason that you would want to tune your motorcycle is fuel economy as well.